Hi, let's take a question. It says that choose the correct alternative for each of the following question. That means the question will be given to us and there will be 4 options available. We need to select any one out of that 4 which is correct, right? So the first question is m is equals to 1, 3, 5. N is equals to 2, 4, 6. That means we are given with two set m and n in roster form, and then we need to find what should be m intersection n. Now we know that intersection means we need to write common element. So what is given to us? We are given with set m, that is 1, 3, 5, and we are given with set n, that is 2, 4, 6. Now if you observe these two set and we just try to see which element is common, we can see that nothing is common. That means it is an empty set, option number C. Let's take another question. Question says that P is a set of all x such that x is an odd natural number and x is greater than 1 but less than equal to 5. We have to write this set in roster form. That means question is given in set builder form and we need to write in roster form. So whatever comes after that small vertical line, such that we need to solve it. It says that x is an odd natural number. What is odd number? 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. They are called as odd numbers. But we want those odd number which is greater than 1 but less than equal to 5. So greater than 1 means 1 will not be included, and less than equal to 5 means we have to discard that 7. It is only 3 and 5, option number D. Let's take another MCQ. It says that P is equal to curly bracket 1, 2, and so on till 10. What type of a set P is? Null set, infinite set, finite set, none of this. Now if you observe this set, it is given in roster form. Now if we just count number of elements from 1 to 10, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means we can easily count there are 10 elements. And if the counting ends, that means it has to be a finite set, option number C. Let's take another question. It says that M union N is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in roster form, and set M is also given 1, 2, 4. We need to represent set N. Now we need to write set N in such a manner that if we take union of M and N, we should get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's observe how exactly we are going to do. 4 options are given to us. We have to select any one which is correct. It says that we have to find set N in such a manner M union N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and M is 1, 2, 4. Now let's see first of all which elements of M union N is present in set M. So we can observe that 1 is present in M, 2 is also present in M, and 4 is present in M. That means 3 numbers are left, which is 3, 5, 6. It means we have to create set N in such a manner it should compulsory contain this 3 number 3, 5 and 6. It may have extra number but it should have 3 number 3, 5 and 6. And if you observe all 4 options, option B is the only option where we have all 3 number, that is 3, 5 and 6. That means option B is right answer. Now next question. Question given to us is, if P is a subset of M, then which of the following set represent P intersection P union M? 4 options are given to us. Option A is P, option B is M, option C is P union M, and option D is P intersection M. In order to understand which option is correct, let's start with some assumption. It says that P is a subset of M. That means we have to assume set P and set M in such a manner that all elements of set P should present in set M. That means if we consider set P as 1, 2, we need to create set M in such a manner that it should also contain 1, 2. So we can write M is equals to 1, 2 and 3. Now let's see if P is 1, 2 and M is 1, 2, 3, what should be P intersection P union M? Let's solve that bracket first, which is P union M. Union means collection of all elements of both set P and M, which is 1, 2 and 3. Now let's find intersection of P with P union M. So we observe here that P is 1, 2 and P union M is 1, 2, 3. If we want to take intersection, we need to take common element of P and P union M, which is 1 and 2. So we write 1, 2. And this 1, 2 is nothing but P. That means after we solve P intersection P union M, we get P. That means option number A is right answer. Let's take one more MCQ. Question says that which of the following are empty set, and 4 options are given to us. A set is said to be an empty if it does not contain any element. Let's see each option one by one. Option A says that set of intersecting points of parallel lines. That means 2 parallel lines are there and we need to find point of intersection. Child, it is very easy. We know that parallel lines never intersect each other, and if they never intersect each other, we will never get point of intersection. That means it is an empty set. So option A is empty set. Let's see option B. Set of even prime number. Prime number are those numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself. So prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. But we want that prime number which is even, and that is nothing but 2. And since set of even prime number contains element, that is 2, it is not an empty set. Let's see third option. Month of an English calendar having less than 30 days. That means we need to write the name of that month in which number of days are less than 30, and we know that there is only one month, that is February, and since it contains one element, that is February, it is again not an empty set. Option D is in set builder form. It says that T is a set of all x such that x is a element of I means integer, and x is greater than -1 but less than 1. So that means we are talking about integer. So let's have integer in front of us, that is 0 at center. Then we have 1, 2, 3 on right side and negative numbers on left side. But we want that integer which is greater than -1 but less than 1. It is nothing but 0. That means it contains one element which is 0, and since it contains an element, again it is not an empty set. That means correct option is option A.